If you've been saying, I need another income stream, but I don't have the time juggling work and family time, this is built exactly for you. Most side hustle advice tells you to work harder, learn tech, or gamble on ads. But what if you could plug into something that's already built and proven? Stop burning the midnight oil just trying to get ahead. This is a low-maintenance affiliate business designed for busy people. 98% of it is already done. You just follow a few simple steps and launch. It is as simple as that. No ads, no complex software, no late-night learning curves. This is the easiest side hustle of 2025, even if you have no experience and no free time. All you need is a mobile phone or a laptop. It's more than passive income. It's a side income with minimal effort that fits around your schedule, not the other way around. Isn't that what everyone is looking for? Whether you're a full-time parent, employee, or just burned out, this system is already helping everyday people launch a real online business in record time. This isn't a shiny course or software you'll never use. It's an online business that runs itself, with free coaching and step-by-step guidance. Simple, powerful, and so doable. Click the link below for all the free exciting details. You're one link away from launching a revenue stream that doesn't steal your time. Take back the freedom on your terms.